What's up, guys? In today's video I'll be reviewing this air compressor from VEVOR. So here it is. So I purchased it off of VEVOR. It is they have many different sizes. This one specifically, as you can see here, has 25 liters. It runs on 110 volts or 120, and it draws 750 watts when it powers up. It says the net weight is 19 kilos. It is way more quiet than any of the other ones I've had before. I have it plugged in here to the Chevy Silverado, and we'll do a little test here in a little bit. I brought this one up to full pressure about 2 weeks ago, and it's just been sitting there holding the pressure since then. So no leaks internally. Let's go ahead and power it up. All right, so now I have it hooked up to my Idaho Spud-Based drone defense unit. So we'll see here, we'll open that up and it will fill this tank. You can hear the sound of the rushing air is way more noise than the compressor itself. Very nice and quiet. I'll just leave that running. So I'll have another video coming up later here for the drone defense. You can see here, it's actually sold by VEVOR as well as a bead setter. Comes with this nozzle, but with a quick stop to your local Home Depot or Lowe's or something similar, you can grab some pipes so you are ready for whenever the drones come by, and it's fairly easy to get ammunition for it as well. All right, here we go. You can see it's up to 100 psi right now. I'll cut it off there. We'll let this one just finish. There it is, and we'll disconnect. So when I purchased this unit, it was $142. Of course, there's going to be price changes, discount codes, all sorts of things. But for 6.6 gallons, or what was it, 25 liters, I highly recommend it. A very good price, nice and quiet, and it works really well with your drone home defense setup. Another video will come soon regarding that one. So go ahead and grab yours from VEVOR, so you'll also be prepared for the next drone attack.